I got a feeling things are gonna get pretty moist this weekend. I impulsively booked a campsite for this weekend, and I'm not gonna lie, the weather is looking less than desirable. I also didn't realize until after I booked this site that it's a site you either have to hike or boat into. So we're gonna go kayaking. And we're probably gonna get wet, because it's definitely gonna rain. Yay. But we're going camping! Yay! And of course I brought a friend with me. It's very windy, but it's not raining. I just got to the campground and I checked in, and I'm now heading to my site. So hopefully it doesn't rain until after I get set up. Hopefully it doesn't rain at all, but we'll see. But it's very fucking windy, so this is making it a very hard paddle. It just downpoured for like 5 minutes and then stopped. But there's a patch of blue sky over there. I'll take it. And that over there, that is home for the next 2 nights. I'm cold. My feet are cold. You know, this time last year, Memorial Day weekend, I was swimming. It was like 80 degrees and I was swimming. It's alright. Not gonna complain though, because I'm camping. So I think I'm gonna set my green tent up right there, and the hammock is gonna go between those 2 trees there. Okay, the bugs are just plain rude right now. Like, I don't know if the camera can see this, but there's just like a swarm around me of little frickin' flies. Fucking bugs. Look at them all. Okay, tent is set up. I think a fire should help with the bugs. Get a little smoke in the air. So I'm going to head back and get the firewood that I bought. I'm gonna start a fire. Firewood has been secured, and it is raining again. But I'm gonna still try and get a fire going because I'm cold. Fire's going. It's time to make dinner because I'm very hungry. On the menu tonight, we have hot cocoa, mushroom tortellini, and red sauce. I found red sauce in a pouch the other day. This is amazing. Whoever did this, whoever considered putting sauce in a pouch like this, you're fantastic. You are amazing. You're a good person. This is a solid camp meal for a cold day. I think I bought the world's wettest wood because this does not want to burn. Well, since my fire is a bit of a bust, I decided to curl up in the hammock, and I'm just gonna read until I fall asleep. Also, there's a loon on this lake. I love loon calls. They're so spooky and eerie and just really pretty, and I love loons. Not as much as I love ducks, but I love loons. Good morning. I slept surprisingly well for how cold it was last night. There is blue sky this morning, which makes me very excited. I hope it lasts, but it's still cold. I don't really know what my plan is for today. I'm quite cozy in this hammock, but I'm eventually going to get out of it. The only thing I know I need to do is I want to try and get some different firewood, because the wood that I bought sucks. It doesn't burn. It's just bad. It's bad wood. Also, for some indecipherable reason, I just have this feeling that I need to find cell service and check my phone. I don't know why. I just have this anxious feeling that I need to check my phone right now, and I don't normally have that feeling. Like, I don't know if, I don't know. My spidey senses are tingling. So I may, this morning, hike back to my car and go hit up the Stewie's that's a few miles away from here. Because I'm pretty sure I've gotten service at that Stewart's before. I don't know why I have this anxious feeling. Usually, I don't care. But something tells me that I need to check my phone. I don't know why. If it warms up, I think this afternoon I'm going to try and kayak more of this lake. It better not rain. I've risen from the hammock, ready to go. I'm going to hike the trail back to my car. I'm curious to know what the trail looks like. Then I'm going to go to Stewart's, and I'm going to get gas, and I'm going to check my phone. And then, I don't know, we'll find out what's going to happen. Better put these guys in sport mode. Big mushroom. Let's eat it and get stoned. Oh, that's fucking massive. For real, don't eat wild mushrooms though. Don't do it. Just got back to the car. That was a decent half-hour hike. A little muddy though. Anyway, gonna drive into town and see what happens. What up, bird? You're a big boy. I made it to Stewart's. I did not have anything important on my phone, so I don't know why I was feeling the anxious need to check it. But I did secure some new firewood. And of course we got a Stewie's coffee. And the game plan right now is I'm gonna head back to the campsite, and hike back in, And then I'm gonna go kayak for a little bit and explore some of the lake. And then I'm gonna grab my new thing of firewood and spend the afternoon reading by a hopefully burning fire. Back at the campground, headed back to my site. And the sun is shining. There's sunshine. And it's definitely warming up. Or it could just be that I'm drinking hot coffee, I don't know, but I'm getting hot. Either way, the lake looks really calm right now, which is good, because I definitely want to explore some of it. It's just so pretty. This coffee is delicious, by the way. I think my anxious feeling, like, I think I just need to take a couple of Adderall to kind of calm me down. But I don't have any. I didn't bring any with me. But I think the caffeine in the coffee is kind of helping. But I do feel better knowing that there's not any, I don't know, tragic messages that I was missing when I didn't have service. I don't know why. I've never had a feeling like that before. It was weird. But anyway. This is a very muddy trail. And not very well maintained, to be perfectly honest. But I'm ready to go kayaking and put some shorts on. I'm going to put shorts on. I'm very excited to put shorts on. You know, beavers are cute and all, but this is not the first time that they've gotten in the way of me paddling. I blame you, Norbert. I just saw 2 loons. They just dove under the water right over there. So they gotta pop up somewhere. Oh, right there. What's up, birdies? That has to be like a mated pair or something, like a boy and a girl. Because I think it's like really uncommon for more than 1 loon to be on a single lake. So that's got to be like a mate pair, something or another. They're just so pretty, and I love the way the sounds they make. The sun just popped out. It feels so nice. Now that's a fire. Definitely redeeming ourselves from last night's failure. Stewie's firewood coming in clutch. think it's time to sit and read and enjoy the silence. Hey, hi, hello. It's been a minute since I picked up the camera. I've pretty much spent the whole day being lazy and reading my book by the fire. And the day has gotten progressively warmer, which is really nice. However, that means the bugs have gone from obnoxious to just straight fucking rude. So I just went into town and got myself this sexy hat. Like, I'm the cool kid now. I got a bug net hat. But I'm gonna go like wade into the water right now because the cool water is feeling really good on my bug bites. I'm not gonna like swim because I know if I get my head and my hair wet, I'm never gonna get warm tonight. But I'm just gonna get my lower extremities a little wet. Fire's going again. Means only one thing. Time to read. So it just started pouring on my campfire. Kind of rude, but it's probably about time for bed anyway. So we're cuddled up in the hammock. Gonna read a little bit more till we fall asleep. Good morning. The loons have been noisy all night. I really don't want to leave. But I have to go back to civilization today. All packed up. Goodbye, campsite. You were very lovely. Except for this. I don't know who the Robinsons were, but fuck you. This is not practicing leave no trace. Nobody cares that you were here in 2024. People don't come camping to see your fucking graffiti on the rock. Fuck you.
When the winter fades, I wanna take you far away to